You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to allow people to repost your videos on TikTok. Let's get straight to the point. Start by opening the TikTok app and heading over to your profile. In the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon to open up more options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy to access your account's privacy controls. Scroll down until you find the Repost section. Tap on it, and you'll see an option to allow others to repost your videos. Turn this switch on. What this does is give other users the ability to share your videos with their own followers directly on TikTok, while still giving you credit as the original creator. You can change this setting anytime if you decide to limit reposts in the future. Just come back to the same place and toggle it off. It's a simple way to get more reach on your videos while keeping control over your content. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more TikTok and tech tips. See you later.